Welcome to Luxy Bites. You shouldn't miss John's journey until the end. So let's get started. Imagine a world where your unique skills become your ticket to financial independence. In this world, it's not about working 9 to 5, it's about leveraging your unique talents and turning them into a thriving business. Welcome to the world of freelancing. In the heart of this world we find our protagonist, an everyday individual with extraordinary skills. They are not just dreaming about their potential. They're ready to harness it. They are ready to step into the realm of self-employment, where they can control their own destiny. Their journey begins with a dive into popular freelancing platforms where their unique skills can shine. They explore, learn, and prepare to offer their services to the global market. It's not just about making money online, it's about freedom, independence, and the thrill of creating something of their own. And so, the journey of our budding John begins with the freelance world at their fingertips. Every expert was once a beginner, and every beginner needs a mentor. With this belief, John embarks on a new journey, leveraging their unique knowledge to become an online tutor. The digital world provides a broad canvas, allowing them to reach students across the globe, and they seize this opportunity with both hands. But every journey has its challenges. John grapples with finding the right platform, structuring engaging lessons, and building a student base. Yet, they persist, fueled by the desire to make a difference. They adapt, innovate, and overcome, transforming these challenges into stepping stones. As they mentor students, they experience a profound sense of satisfaction. The sound of comprehension in a student's voice, the sight of improvement in grades, the knowledge that they're making a difference, these become their rewards. Their expertise becomes a beacon of guidance for others. Through online tutoring he has not only earned but also learned. The digital bazaar awaits, where ideas transform into successful businesses. A new challenge is on the horizon for our intrepid John, the bustling world of e-commerce. It's a realm where creative brainstorming meets strategic planning, where the seed of a product idea grows into a thriving online store. John dives headfirst into this new frontier, their mind a whirlwind of potential products, each one a possible golden ticket. They research, they plan, they strategize. Their idea takes shape, evolving from a mere concept into a tangible product, ready for the digital marketplace. The thrill of launching their online store is unparalleled. It's a symphony of excitement and anticipation, a testament to their hard work and dedication. And then, the moment of truth arrives, their first sale. It's a rush of exhilaration, a confirmation that their venture into the unknown has paid off. With the success of their online store, John is ready to explore new avenues. In the realm of online entrepreneurship, collaboration is the key to elevation. As we delve into the fourth chapter of John's journey, we find them venturing into the profitable world of affiliate marketing. It's not just about selling products, it's about creating strategic partnerships and making connections. He discovers that this is a game of trust, where reliable relationships are built with brands. They learn to select products that resonate with their audience, aligning with their own values and interests. This way, their promotions never feel forced or out of place. They also master the art of compelling product presentations, weaving the products seamlessly into their content to pique the interest of their viewers. Each successful sale is not just a win for the brand but a triumph for John as well. And so, with each partnership formed and sale made, they carve out a niche for themselves in the vast digital market. Through affiliate marketing, John has unlocked another level of online success. Content is the currency of the digital world, and our entrepreneur is ready to make their mark. They dive headfirst into the ocean of content creation, exploring the uncharted waters of YouTube, TikTok, and the blogosphere. They start off small, a voice among millions, but driven by their unique perspective and unwavering determination. There are struggles, of course, finding a distinct voice, building an audience, the late nights spent crafting content that resonates. But with each triumph, each shared post, each new subscriber, they grow stronger. Their content becomes a beacon, attracting a community of loyal followers who eagerly anticipate each new post. John's digital identity takes shape, a reflection of their journey, their passions, their insights. It's more than just a brand. It's a story, a testament to their perseverance and creativity. With a loyal audience behind them, he is ready to explore new opportunities. In the digital world, your opinion is valuable, and John is ready to capitalize on it. They've found a way to take their thoughts, their preferences, and their experiences, and turn them into a revenue stream. Through online surveys and market research, they're lending their voice to the chorus of consumers shaping the products and services of tomorrow. But it's not just about the extra income they're earning. It's also about the valuable feedback they're providing to businesses. They're becoming a part of the process, playing a role in refining ideas, improving offerings, and influencing trends. They're not just observing the market, they're actively participating in it. By sharing their perspective, they're helping companies understand what works and what doesn't. It's a mutually beneficial relationship, where their opinion can make a real difference. With every survey, John is gaining more than just income. They're gaining insight. In the world of online business, being resourceful is a resource in itself. In this chapter of our hero's journey, they've tapped into a new domain: virtual assistants. With the world becoming increasingly digital, the demand for remote support has skyrocketed. It's a world where one's resourcefulness and efficiency take center stage. John has found a niche in offering remote assistance to busy professionals. They're not just managing tasks for others, but also balancing their own ventures. Imagine juggling emails, scheduling appointments, and handling social media accounts for a client while brainstorming ideas for their next YouTube video. It's no easy feat, but it's one that they've embraced with open arms and swift fingers. This is more than just a job. It's a test of their ability to multitask and stay organized, while maintaining a high standard of work. Through virtual assistants, John is mastering the art of multitasking. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and in the digital era, it can also be worth $1,000. Now let's dive into the ocean of stock photography and videography, where our protagonist has found yet another avenue to generate income. It's not just about capturing beautiful visuals, it's about capturing the essence of a moment, a narrative, a brand, and making it accessible to others. With a keen eye for detail and a knack for storytelling, John turns everyday sights into captivating visuals. Their photographs and videos are not mere digital files, they are valuable commodities in the online marketplace. In this digital age, the world is a canvas, and every frame is a potential masterpiece. By monetizing their talent on various stock websites, our entrepreneurs are making a mark in the virtual world. They are not just creating art, they're creating assets. With every click, John is not only capturing moments but also capturing success. Knowledge is power, and in the digital world, it's a profitable power. John's journey has led them to this final frontier of entrepreneurship, creating and selling online courses and digital products. With every lesson crafted, they're distilling their expertise into a form that can be shared with others. They're taking the insights they've gained, the skills they've honed, and packaging them into a product of immense value. This isn't just about making money anymore. It's about sharing knowledge, sparking inspiration, and empowering others to embark on their own journeys. Each course created is a beacon, illuminating the path for others to follow. It's an invitation for others to learn, to grow, and to thrive in the digital world. This is the beauty of entrepreneurship in the digital age. It's a cycle of empowerment, with each success story inspiring the next. With every course sold, John is not just earning, they're inspiring. John's journey has been a testament to the limitless potential of the online world. From discovering a passion for freelancing to becoming a beacon of knowledge as an online tutor, this journey has been as varied as it has been rewarding. The excitement of launching an e-commerce store, the strategic partnerships formed through affiliate marketing, and the creativity unleashed in content creation, each chapter has been a stepping stone to success. Participating in online surveys and market research provided an extra income stream, while offering virtual assistants allowed for efficiency from anywhere. The beautiful world of stock photography and videography was explored, and finally the expertise and passion culminated in creating online courses and digital products. This journey has shown that with determination, skill, and a dash of creativity, the online world offers endless opportunities. Now it's your turn. Jump into your entrepreneurial journey today. Remember, the world is waiting for what you have to offer, so never miss it.